And this is my one meal grill lunch or dinner platter recipe. I have grilled corn, prawn with pineapple lime salsa, and mackerel. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Ate Nor's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you my one meal grill lunch or dinner platter recipe. Okay, first my lemon prawn. I have 400 grams prawn, wash and dry with paper towel. 1 piece of garlic, small piece of ginger, coriander or kinchay, chopped, 1 lemon, soy sauce, and honey. Okay, I'll marinate my prawn first. Okay, grate the garlic and ginger, or you can use a mortar and pestle to grind the garlic, ginger, and coriander or kinchay. Okay, if you want spicy, you can add red chili or chili sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander or kinchay. Then half of a lemon juice. Two tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, okay, mix it well and marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, set it aside. Now for pineapple lime salsa. This is fresh pineapple. You can use pineapple in can, chopped in small chunks, and lime, coriander chopped, 1 red chili, and then 1 small red onion and salt. Okay, mix it all together. Chili, red chili, red onion, and chopped coriander or kinchay. Okay, we also need lime zest. Roll your lime to make it soft so that we can squeeze more juice from this lime. Okay, take off the seeds before you squeeze it. some salt. And mix it well. Okay, and set it aside. I will use it for my prawn. For my lemon prawn. Okay, and for my mackerel with garlic and paprika, I have 2 defrosted mackerel. Clean and wash and clean. 2 garlic, black pepper, paprika, and salt and olive oil. Okay, first I want to take off the bones. This is your choice. You can take off the bones or you can just leave the bones and cook it with bones. Also, there's some bones in the middle. I'll take it off. Cut along stripes and then tear it off. There's still more bones here. Okay, there are still more bones here. I'm going to cut it. Okay, it's clean, no more bones. Okay, for my marinade, grate the garlic. Tablespoon olive oil, salt, paprika, and ground black pepper. Okay, mix it well. Season the skin first. Season with salt. And then spread the marinade on top of the fish. On the fish meat. Also marinate for 1 hour. Okay, and set it aside. Okay, now it's ready. I have some bamboo skewers. I soak it in water. It helps to prevent from burning while grilling. Okay. Now I made 4 skewers. And for my corn, I didn't take off the handle, so it's easy for me to grill it. I have a handle. So I have salted or unsalted butter. Just spread. How to say it? Okay, and sprinkle some salt. Okay, this is ready for grilling. And now I have a pork and chicken sauté. This is available on my channel, the recipe. Okay, and my prawn, my mackerel, and corn. Okay, it's done. Grilled corn, grilled prawn with the pineapple lime salsa, and my mackerel. You can squeeze lime on top of the mackerel. Okay? If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ate Nor's Kitchen, and click the notification bell for my latest updates. Thank you for watching.